Good potties, young man. Good girl. You have been in the swim. Good boy. Thank you. Good off. Nice off. Good job. You guys, you make it very hard to walk. This is Lexie's last day. Oh my. She doesn't know it. She likes the swimming pool. Good off. Good off. That's good. Good boy. Careful. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Good boy. Thank you. Good off. Yeah. Yeah. Good off. Let's go. Okay. Man. It's hot. Okay. What do you got? So we're just taking a walk in the woods. Good off, young man. Very nice. Very nice off. And a good leave it. Good leave it, Lexie. Yeah. Good girl. You're a dirty mess. Robin's gonna hate me. Okay, guys. I can't film you if you're under my legs. Chew her back. Okay. What you got, buddy? Oh, that looks really special. Let that long-legged know-it-all girl take it. You better get it back. You let her have it. You get it. Yeah, she's not going to be interested in it unless you want it, huh? Uh-oh! Thank you. Okay. Okay, I'm turning this off.